Welcome to the largest modern industrial estate of Southeast Asia, the Jababeka Industrial Estate, Cikarang. Our story begins in 1989 with the massive development of Cikarang, where once nobody could see its potential. Now, after 31 years, Jababeka has succeeded in developing a comprehensive one-stop industrial development solution for all types of enterprises. Today, it has become one of the most important economic zones of Indonesia. Jababeka constitutes a massive 35% of total national export volume, creating employment opportunities for around 700,000 local residents and 10,000 expatriates who live in the city. Jababeka Industrial Estate is trusted by more than 2,000 national and multinational companies from 30 countries around the globe. It is one of the most advanced industrial zones, with state-of-the-art facilities and all the essentials that make industrial business possible. It has a very efficient access and transportation infrastructure that includes 4 exit and 4 access tolls, highlighting the transit-oriented development. Jababeka Industrial Estate is equipped with Industry 4.0 facilities and tools. It has fiber optics and telecommunication networks that boost the performance of the whole industrial estate. The licensing and administration process is also made convenient with one-stop digital services like our mobile app, G-Smart. Designed as an environment-friendly industrial area, it has proper waste treatment facilities that help us conserve the environment, and water treatment facilities that ensure a reliable and regular clean water supply for industrial needs, helping us avoid the need for exploiting natural water resources. Independent power plants in the Jababeka Industrial Estate guarantee the availability of continuous electricity supply. Jababeka Industrial Estate is proud of building the nation's first dry port, the Cikarang Dry Port, which has all the logistical facilities required for the complex import-export processes. Jababeka Industrial Estate is extremely secure. It has 24-hour security patrols, a fire brigade department and regional police, and army offices located within the premise of the estate. We always strive for both business and individual development. The prestigious President University and Information Communication Technology are the symbols of human development. They add value by providing qualified human resources needed for the industrial world in the Jababeka Industrial Estate. Jababeka Industrial Estate provides an ideal atmosphere and working environment for a modern industrial community that consists of commercial and retail centers, hotel, residential, healthcare facilities, and various sports facilities such as golf, swimming pools, eco-parks, etc. All of these facilities ensure the smooth running of business in the Jababeka Industrial Estate, the largest and smartest industrial estate in Southeast Asia.